Getting started creating 3D design with Adobe Dimension is the fastest and easiest way to turn your ideas into a three-dimensional world. Using it is a tool to bring your design to life is a great way to realize your creative vision. In this class, I will share with you how to use the most intuitive program to start creating 3D-dimensional content, Adobe Dimension. You will learn everything important so that you can create 3D design fluently. Hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm graphic designer and 3D artist from Peru, and I invite you to take this 3D course. This class will be easier to follow and don't have to be experienced or have other special skills to start creating this kind of art. Adobe Dimension is extremely quick, fun, and easy to create. This class is designed for everyone interested in getting started with engaging 3D content quickly. And if you are a beginner and want to get into this fascinating world, or already have knowledge in other 3D programs, but you want to explore simple and intuitive new ways to quickly design, or maybe focus on your creative vision and add new skills to your workflow and explore new ways to create, this class is for you. By the end of the class, you'll be able to get a great and very fast composition in 3D and get started easily in this three-dimensional world by creating design with Adobe Dimension.